So how did you find it, Casey?
Oh, you're recording me?
Go on. How did you find it?
It was really good.
Can you take your hand away from your mouth though? Like, it looks like you're eating your hand. But,
Yeah, it was really good.
and is it just easier to control than the small ones?
Yeah.
What's so easy? What's the difference, you reckon?
Because the small one's like, it's not as steady as this one. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I do. Okay, do you enjoy flying drones?
Yeah.
Do you think only boys should fly drones?
No.
So who should fly drones then?
Boys and girls.
That's right. Well done. How did you find that?
It's okay, it's good.
Huh?
It's good.
Are you enjoying your flying the drones?
Yeah, I am.
And had you flown any drones beforehand?
I think the little ones.
Little ones.
The little ones are confusing.
They're confusing. What, do you prefer these ones?
Yeah.
Why?
Because the controls, I don't know, they're kind of easier to control.
Okay. Yeah. Alright then, well done. That's it. How did you find that, Romeo?
I found that good. It's fine. It's good.
So what do you prefer, flying this drone or the other ones?
This drone because it's much easier to control.
What about the smaller ones? How did you find them?
It's just annoying.
They're annoying.
Yeah.
But did it help you in learning to fly this one?
Yeah.
In what ways?
I know how to control it.
Okay. Cool. So have you liked the course so far?
Yeah.
What's your most enjoyable parts of it?
Just being able to fly it.
Okay, and did you do much flying before the course?
No.
Have you flown a drone before the course?
No.
Okay, and why is that? Just not really interested?
Yeah, it never really popped up.
So after this, would you start flying other drones or?
Yeah, I'll do it for fun.
Okay, cool.